Have you ever wondered how to create a Japanese garden? Japanese gardens, with their serene landscapes and meticulous designs, are steeped in centuries of cultural significance. They're masterpieces that embody tranquility and harmony. Now let's unravel the process of creating your own tranquil space. Choosing the right location is the first step to creating a Japanese garden. The ideal spot exudes tranquility and is preferably embraced by nature, perhaps with a whispering tree or a serene pond nearby. Now that we have selected the perfect spot, it's time to design our garden. The design of a Japanese garden is a reflection of nature and should create a sense of harmony. It's all about balance and tranquility, achieved through three key elements: rocks, water, and plants. Rocks symbolize mountains, providing structure and stability. Water, whether a pond or stream, represents life-giving force, while plants add color and texture. Arrange these elements thoughtfully, considering their size, shape, and color, to create a natural, balanced look. With the design in place, we can now start creating our garden. Bringing your design to life is where the magic happens. Start by placing the rocks strategically, as they are the backbone of the garden structure. If you can, create a water feature, a serene symbol of nature's flow. Next, select plants that harmonize with your garden's theme. Plant them thoughtfully, considering the balance of elements. Remember, each plant and stone tells a story. Patience is key in this process, as a Japanese garden is a living piece of art that changes and grows over time. Creating a Japanese garden is a rewarding experience that brings a piece of the East to your backyard. It's a journey that unfolds in stages, picking the perfect spot, sketching your design, and then the hands-on creation. Remember, patience is key. It's about cultivating harmony, not just with plants, but with your spirit too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Enjoy the tranquility of your new Japanese garden.